Well, kia ora moko, what you up to?
I was just looking for a car to buy.
Ah, now you're talking my language. What sort of car?
Well, Car King Ken recommends
Whoa. Who?
Car King Ken. You know the car influencer?
What's a car influencer?
You know, an influencer. Someone that, recommends stuff on social media.
Oh, that's stupid. Is this guy a mechanic? I mean, does he actually drive the vehicles that he's recommending? And does he get paid for the so-called free information? This is dodgy, moko.
I mean, he's got thousands of followers. It's fine.
So's Brian Tamaki, but he's not always right, is he?
He's Brian Tamaki.
Oh, hallelujah. Look, moko, most people are like sheep and they're easily led. And I'm just saying you have to be careful. I mean, if you wanted to buy a horse, you wouldn't go to a guy who sells goats, would you?
You know I'm allergic to horses, kōrero.
It doesn't matter. You're missing the point. Okay, just because somebody's popular on the interweb doesn't mean to say you have to listen to all their kōrero. Focus. You got to do your own research and make up your own mind for yourself.
Oh, and find someone that really knows what they're talking about.
Bingo!
Yeah, I got a pātai.
Pātai mai.
So those protein supplements that you brought off the guy on Facebook?
Shut up. Yes.